What's going on, guys? It's Isaac here with Krietz Customs. Right now we are looking at this 2020 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali that we just got done lifting, and that has some new wheels and tires too. So if you guys are looking to get your truck lifted, has some new wheels and tires, so take a look at what we did to this one. To get started, the lift is going to be a 6-inch rough country suspension lift, and with this one we went with the strut spacer. Since this vehicle is very new, doesn't have many miles on it, there's no need to go ahead and replace it with the extended strut. There is a third option you can go with if you wanted to have the best ride quality, and that is go with the Vertex coilover shocks, and that's going to give you the best ride quality going down the road. With the wheel and tire package and this lift kit, you do have to do some trimming on this plastic piece below the bumper, just so that there isn't any rubbing when you do a full turn. The tire on this one is going to be a 35 1250 R22 Fury Country Hunter RT, which is going to be a hybrid tire, so it's a mix between the mud-terrain and all-terrain tires. So you're going to get the aggressiveness of the mud-terrain with this nice aggressive sidewall, that thicker tread, but it's also going to give you the on-road capabilities and features that you might like, such as the longer tread life and the quieter ride. There's two other hybrid tires that we recommend, which is going to be the Nitto Ridge Grappler and the Toyo Open Country AT3. Down here we have a 22x12 fuel stroke. This is one of my favorite wheels, and this one's going to be that deep dish look, and this one's going to have about a 5.5-inch lip, which is also going to push that wheel and tire package out a couple inches, giving it a nice wider stance. This one does come in a couple different options for finishes and sizes. There's plenty of sizes for this wheel, but there's also 3 different finishes: the gloss black and milled, gloss black and candy red, and the candy blue. So if you guys like this wheel and tire, you can figure out what combination you want to go with. But if you guys want to get it done, we can do that for you right here at Krietz Customs. But make sure you check out our 0% financing options so you can go ahead and get your truck lifted now and pay later.